In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Miro. So Miro is an AI-powered online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for innovation and teamwork. So you can head over to Miro.com in order to access them. Enter right here your work email in order to sign up for free, or you can also just use your Gmail. If you already have an account like I did, proceed to click on this login option that you can see right here. So here is my actual Miro. So in there, in order to create a table, what we can do is we can just utilize in here these options. So here are our mouse option, templates, sticky note, text, shapes, freehand, frame, and in here you can see all of the tools and media that you can utilize. For example, let's click onto this option right here. Now click onto the search tool and search in here for table. You can already see that we have our table. We can also have a grid, diagram, prototyping, and the likes. Let's head over and then click onto this table right here. And then just head over and insert them however you want. For example, let's insert them right there. And you can see that this table will be added. And here is what it would look like. So you can also proceed to resize it however you want. Like for example, if you wish to remove particular row, like for example is this one, you can just right click on it and then edit it out according to your liking. Now into this table, you can also edit it by clicking on this more. You can edit this by embedding this table, send this back, creating a frame, or setting it as a template. For example, let's make it into something. You can should head over and then edit this field. Or if you wish to edit or delete one field, just head over and click on this right there. Click on this delete, and as you can see, that will be deleted. So just proceed to enter it here your data, as well as everything that you want added. So that's how you use tables in Miro. Hope we helped.